Another day at the office. I've done a couple of new items on the frame stretch of the Can Am. I'll be showing you now in a minute. Been putting a lot of hours on this, and I'm gonna show you what I've done so far. And yeah, let's get to it. So this is what I've done so far. I finally finished the trailing arm mount, and the new thing that I added were these bars to the stock trailing arm location. I just added a square tubing, and I plated the trailing arm mount on this end so I can weld it on this end here, and just adding that added so much more structure to the whole frame itself. Right now it's extremely sturdy. The next thing I'm gonna focus on is pretty much connecting this to the actual frame, and then to the trailing arm mount. I still don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna start cutting and figuring out what to do. Probably put a tube from here to here somehow, and then from here to here, and then somehow connect it. I want to connect it to this plate here, and maybe I'll connect it to this right here, but I'm still not sure if I'm gonna do that or not. But just adding this added so much strength to that frame, so that's extremely good news. I still need to make the brackets here. I'm gonna make the brackets here with the plates that I have, and then I'm also gonna be adding some square tubing here from here to here. Maybe one here, maybe one here, and one back here. But yeah, it's looking good so far. So we'll see what we get done today. But other than that, this thing looks sick. Day 400. Still working on the Can Am. And I'm playing around. Today we're going to continue working on this beast. I got a couple of things ready for it. I haven't been working on it too much, but today I actually have this made. Got this. I don't know if you can see it. One of my friends made it back home in Miami. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and install that, and then start making more brackets and stuff. I did the trailing arm and a bunch of brackets. I did this right here for the shock mounts. So I'm gonna get to it and get started. Gotta finish this. Want to finish this by this week, hopefully. Let's do it. Well, the drive shaft fits. Oh yeah, fits real nice. Yep. Let's do it. So this is what I've done so far. I think I'm pretty much done. I gotta take everything off and weld and grind whatever I need, but I think I am pretty much done. That is pretty much the final product. Looks good. Now I'm gonna take everything off, weld everything good, grind it, make it look nice, and possibly do a test run. Better look of the whole kit. It's pretty simple, really. A lot of work though. A lot of work. But it looks good. There's still a couple spots that I need to weld. That's what I'm gonna do now. Grind off anything that looks too nasty. Make it look pretty good. And that's pretty much it. Build it back again with the shocks and everything on its own weight, and then we'll see how it plays. I'm gonna probably put everything back to make sure everything's good, and then I gotta probably take it off again sand it, paint it, make it look nice. But yeah, it's completely bolt on, so I can literally take this off, put everything back to stock. So oh yeah, I'm getting this bad boy ready for paint. I'm just gonna paint it right there, mask off everything, paint it, let it dry, put everything on. Let's go. This is 1 can of spray paint. Ooh, she looking good. She making all my wheels look good. Nice and shiny. This is semi-gloss. Looks great. I just finished painting the frame on the Can Am, and she's looking very nice. She looks really up. The battery's going out. But she's looking really good. I did like 2 coats of semi-gloss, the Rust-Oleum 2 times with the paint and primer. And I think we are good. I'm pretty much done. The only thing left is I have to drill, I don't know if you can see, I have to drill 1 and 2 bolts here, and that's it. Put everything back together, and I'm finished. She's gonna look very nice. So yeah, I think this wraps up this part of the video. I think next video is gonna be the reveal. And yeah, so see ya. Here's my baby.